good giver and you give more freely with good intentions, then you get back exactly what you get in life, you know. So that's our reality. But the question is, how do we remember these subjects? You know, like this idea, these basic things that have been taught, but we don't do them anymore. No, we wake up sometimes angry and worry about what we're going to get versus what we're going to get. But when we get together in gatherings like this, we have a whole room full of people who have the kind of energy they want to lift themselves. There's a team of people lifting and creating an industry. The last time I was here, I spoke briefly about developing some kind of way to work for you, you know, to serve you. And I've been working on that. And I really believe that there's something that we can do as a transition. And something you're already doing transition with building a company that has this kind of camaraderie that can change industries. I've been following some new innovative ideas, and I've never had the luxury of having a group of people who I can impress and show it and sell it to, and they can go out and sell it to the world. So that's just, I don't want to reveal too much, but we've been very aggressive in putting together all the ways in which we can work together, and I'm very excited. So the first thing I want to talk about is that I want to use my book as an example, because it really is a culmination of a lot of study. And what I studied in Scripture turned out to be, what was told me about, again, it's the same. It doesn't matter which Scripture. The same promises are made by all the prophets, even in different languages, even from different parts of the world. And even, it's always the same. No matter when it comes, whenever the prophet comes and reminds you of what God has already etched inside your spirit, he reminds you maybe because he's speaking your language. So I wrote a book and, borrowing these ideas and framing them in a way that we can get it. The book is called Super Rich. Now, the reason it's called Super Rich is because no matter what they tell us in the Scripture, the media and other people and the sales team, the sales force, that is the propaganda team that work for different